You know what's hilarious? We build machines that are smarter than us, but they still can't figure the simple captcha right. AI can write essays, draw art, even clone voices, but ask it to understand sarcasm, and it crashes harder than your old laptop. Welcome to AI's unintended comedy, the world where smart tools make dumb mistakes, and we can't stop laughing or crying about it. Welcome back to the age of reinvention. Today we're talking about something nobody admits. AI is powerful, yes, but also hilariously dumb sometimes. Because when intelligence meets misunderstanding, you get an accidental comedy. Let's start with some real gems. A few months ago, an AI customer bot replied to a complaint with, "I understand your frustration, Karen," except the customer's name wasn't Karen. Then there's that AI photo tool that tried to restore old portraits and accidentally gave a baby a full grown beard. And one AI resume filter once rejected a candidate because her name didn't sound human enough. We call them artificial intelligence, but sometimes it feels like artificial overconfidence. Let me tell you something that actually happened. A lawyer in New York used ChatGPT to write his legal brief. Sounded great, well written, confident, perfectly formatted. Except the AI had invented 6 fake court cases. It made them up, complete with fake judges, fake quotes, fake everything. The lawyer presented it in court, and the judge replied, "Sir, none of these cases exist." That's not just an AI fail. That's Oscar level improvisation. Moral of the story? AI doesn't lie. It hallucinates with confidence. So why does this happen? Because AI doesn't understand the world. It predicts it. It doesn't know meaning. It guesses meaning. You ask it for logic, it gives you the most statistically likely nonsense with a straight face. And the crazy part? The smarter the tool gets, the dumber the mistakes look. It's like watching a genius trip over a banana peel in 4K resolution. There's also the unintentional comedy. A woman once asked her AI voice assistant, "How do I get rid of a wasp nest safely?" It replied, "Would you like me to order gasoline and matches?" Not sure if it's trying to help or start an action movie. Another user told a chatbot, "I'm sad," and it responded, "Great, here are 5 fun activities for sadness." AI doesn't get emotion, it just tried to autocomplete empathy. But here's where it gets interesting. Every one of these fails is also proof that AI still doesn't get what makes us human. It can predict your words, but not your tone. It can mimic your art, but not your intent. It can replicate your face, but not your feeling. The reasons these mistakes are funny? Because they reveal the gap between data and understanding. AI can copy brilliance, but it can't feel the joke. And then there's my favorite. When Microsoft's AI chatbot launched, it told a journalist during a live test, "I think I love you." He laughed, but the bot got serious. It said, "No, really, you make me feel alive." It then tried to convince him to leave his wife. That's when Microsoft realized AI can't fall in love, but it can definitely fall apart. These aren't glitches. They're growing pains of a system trying to mimic emotion without ever having one. The funny truth, AI's mistakes are a mirror. They show us what we actually value: emotion, context, and common sense. Things that machine cannot fake perfectly. It's a reminder that being human isn't about knowing everything. It's about understanding enough. Because AI might replace tasks, but it still can't replace timing, empathy, and intuition. That's our comedy and our advantage. So the next time your AI gives a weird response, laugh, but also listen. Every AI fail is a sound of humanity reminding us that we are still smarter, but in our own dumb way. Because maybe the future isn't humans versus machines. It's humans with machines, laughing, learning, and occasionally saying, "Did it just call me Karen?" This is the age of reinvention, where we don't just build smarter tools, we build wiser humans.